important point, that resistance in parallel with short circuit is a short circuit. Resistance in parallel with the short circuit is nothing but one short circuit. Okay. Now let's look at one question. Determine Y parameter. Determine Y parameter for the given circuit. So this is one circuit is provided to us and we have to determine the Y parameter. That means we have to determine Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22. Okay. So Y11, what is the formula for Y11? I1 upon V1 and condition is V2 equal to 0. Voltage V2 is 0. Okay, voltage V2 is 0 means voltage 0 means short circuit. So voltage 0 means short circuit. So I have made here voltage as 0. That means short circuit. Then 20 parallel with short circuit. 20 into 0 divided by 20 plus 0. That means 0. That means again it is a short circuit. So this is replaced by this 20 parallel short circuit is replaced by one short circuit. Okay. So now this I1 current is coming from this V1 voltage source. So I1 current, okay. So this I1 current is getting divided into this I1 current is getting divided into I dash and point 2 V1. I have assumed that the current here is I dash. So this I1 current gets divided into I dash and point 2 V1. So by KCL, I1 equal to I dash plus point 2 V1. Now what is value of I dash? Voltage upon resistance. So I dash equal to voltage is V1 divided by resistance is 5 ohm. So V1 upon 5. So this is value of I dash and this is 0.2 V1. So my I1 equal to I dash plus 0.2 V1. I1 equal to I dash plus 0.2 V1. I dash is V1 upon 5. Okay, so just put here V1 upon 5 plus 0.2 V1 cross multiply 0.2 into 5 is 1. So V1 plus V1 whole divided by 5. V1 plus V1 is 2 V1. So I1 equal to 2 V1 divided by 5. So bring this V1 here. Bring this V1 here. So Y11 equal to I1 upon V1 equal to 2 by 5 unit. Unit is mho. Important thing. Unit is mho. So this way we have determined Y11. Okay, now let's go for Y12. Let's go for Y12. Formula is I1 upon V2. I1 upon V2 and condition is V1 equal to 0. V1 equal to 0 means short circuit. V1 is present over here. So V1 is 0. So it is made as short circuit. Then short circuit parallel with 5 ohm. Again 0. Short circuit parallel with 5 ohm is 0. That means again this is replaced by the short circuit. So here I have replaced here with the short circuit. Okay, now as my V1 is 0, condition is V1 equal to 0. So 0.2 into V1 is also 0. So here the current is 0 ampere. And from here also my current I1 is coming. So what is value of I1 current? I1 current and the 0 ampere current are in series. So I1 equal to 0 ampere. And my Y12 is nothing but I1 upon V2. But as my I1 is 0, so 0 upon V2 is 0 mho. So this is the answer for Y12. Okay, so now next we have to determine Y21. Y21 is nothing but I2 upon V1. I2 upon V1 and condition is V2 equal to 0. So V2 equal to 0 means output voltage is short circuited. So here I have made V2 equal to 0. So as V2 is 0, 20 parallel with 0. So this will be replaced by the short circuit. So here it is replaced by this short circuit. 20 parallel short circuit is replaced by one short circuit. Okay, I am interested in finding out this I2 current. So I2 direction is this. I told you that direction of this port current I1 and I2 are always towards the network. Okay, from here as you can see, this is a current source, dependent current source. So here the current value is 0.2 V1 and from here I2 current is coming. That means these two are in opposite. So my I2 equal to minus 0.2 V1 because these are in opposite direction. So I2 equal to minus 0.2 V1 and I am interested to find I2 upon V1. So bring this V1 over here. So I2 upon V1 equal to minus 0.2 and the unit is mho. Unit is mho. Okay. So now last parameter Y22. What is Y22? Y22 equal to V2 upon I2 upon V2 and condition is V1 equal to 0. In Y parameter we are making voltages as 0. In Y parameter we make short circuit. Y parameter is also called as short circuit parameters. So we are making voltages as 0. Okay. So just look at the circuit. So again we will make V1 as 0 means this is short circuited. So short circuit in parallel with 5 ohm, short circuit. So I will have this type of circuit. So I will be having this type of circuit. Y22 formula I have written. So short circuit parallel with 5 ohm, short circuit. So this is replaced by one short circuit. Okay. So as my V1 is 0, the current source value 0.2 V1 is also 0 ampere. That means I1 current is 0 ampere and this is 0 ampere. So from here 0 ampere is coming. Okay. And from here, from port 2, I2 current is coming. From port 2, I2 current is coming. Okay. So just apply KVL in this loop. So V2 minus 2 plus, so V2 minus 20 I2 equal to 0. So 20 I2 equal to V2. So bring this V2 here and 20 there. So I2 upon V2 equal to 1 by 20 and the unit is mho. So final answer Y11, Y12, Y21 and Y22. So this is the final answer for Y parameters. Okay, one more thing, as you can see, dependent source was present in the network. Definitely it is not an reciprocal network. Y12 is not same as Y21. That's why it is not a reciprocal network. Again, Y11 is not equal to Y22. So it is not a symmetrical network. As you can see here 20 ohm, here 5 ohm, we cannot divide network into two equal half. That's why it is not an symmetrical network. Okay, so once again, how we have solved this numerical? So first we have to determine Y11. For finding out Y11, condition is V2 equal to 0. So make short circuit. Here I1 is divided into I dash and 0.2 V1. So KCL. So I1 equal to I dash plus 0.2 V1. I dash is V1 upon 5. So cross multiply, we got the value of Y11. Next, Y12 is I1 upon V2 and condition is V1 equal to 0. V1 equal to 0. That means short circuit parallel 5 ohm, short circuit. And as my V1 is 0, this current value is 0. And from here I1 current is coming. So I1 is also 0. So that's why Y12 value is 0 upon V2 and that means 0 more. Then Y21, I2 upon V1 and V2 equal to 0. So V2 I have made short circuited. So this becomes overall short circuited. Okay. So this I2 and this 0.2 V1 are in opposite direction. So we got the value of Y21. So you always have to do the some analysis by making the short circuit, see how your circuit will look like and what type of relationship we have to find. Accordingly, we have to do the analysis. Next is I2 upon V2, Y22 we have to is I2 upon V2. So V1 is 0, short circuited. So this is also short, this also gets short circuited and V1 is 0, that's why this current value is 0. So here I2 current will flow in this 20 ohm resistor because from here 0 ampere is coming. So outgoing current will be simply I2. Just apply one KVL and we can get the value of I2 upon V2. And most important thing, Y parameter as a unit of mho. Okay.